Good morning, Dr. Ida Khan from Pediatric Pod Concierge Pediatrics in Bel Air, Houston. So I got a question from a mom whose little one had some nausea and vomiting, and she's been sick, and we got a text back and forth. And I often get this question: when is it okay to give a medicine for the vomiting? And again, we know it's a viral infection most of the time. If your child is fully vaccinated, they may have some fever, but they're having some vomiting. As long as they're able to, the goal really is to do controlled rehydration. That's what I call it. So it is, when someone's vomiting, it doesn't mean stop the drinking. It means when you're going to give them something to drink, you want to give them fluids that have salts and sugar in it, and you want to give small amounts frequently, because that way, even if they throw up, because when you take a large amount, you tend to get more nauseated and may throw up more. So again, it's controlled rehydration is the first step, and usually the first 24 hours, that's all we're talking about. Do some controlled rehydration. As long as your child is drinking and peeing and acting kind of okay, we're okay. Beyond the first 24 hours, if the child continues to have vomiting and you're having a hard time keeping them hydrated in the form of giving them Pedialyte or Pedialyte popsicles or chamomile tea, and they're just not able to keep anything down, and they're not peeing, and they're starting to act a little more weak, that's the time where I would be like, okay, it's okay, let's try a Zofran or an ondansetron tablet to try and stop the vomiting. So again, I think it's usually post that first 24 hours and actually seeing how the child is doing. And the good thing in our practice is we kind of stay in the loop with our patients, so we're able to text back and forth. Usually the first 24 hours, we're like, go ahead and rehydrate. Next day, I'm on the message again. How's the kiddo doing? And then we make a decision if we need to send a medicine. If you found this information helpful, go ahead and share with your friends.